Umentri rangba ke Jylla Conrad ke sangma habai Khreh mekla pathai khubor ka khat phra tarik ber arja arpoi uloma ke Jylla kala long ka bapen Khreh Lada Jia ba Kiew Biang ke jingpang Khlam COVID-19 ulai thu ba ke jekren umentri rangba du kariu Narendra Modi ha ka khanyo tarik ber arja arpoi la yekren ba ka sarkar Jylla ka den pentikana ba anam jashu kumbala Jia ha ka sin ba ka niga Khlam ka wanding kong.
As I said, that in fact all the states are better prepared this time because it's the second time it's happening. But one can't say because we don't know how this second wave is suddenly again coming up. It's very, in a very strange manner the way things are happening. But we should not be surprised because second wave is happening in many countries, and now we're seeing it in India also. And in the beginning also, when the first wave started, it started in this format only. That is the reason why Honorable Prime Minister, in fact, had called an emergent meeting yesterday. And even though I was having session, I had to attend that meeting. And so in that meeting, it was very clear that we need to ensure that we don't allow that situation again to repeat itself. So whether it will or not, one cannot say. But we feel that we are definitely better prepared. The predictability is better, and obviously the infrastructure, all the aspects are better. People are more mentally prepared compared to last time. They are aware of what's happening, not happening. So hopefully that doesn't happen, and if it does, definitely we are in a much better position compared to last time.
Minta wong ka sarkar Jylla kan penklan ru ke jing peso tho paj ba ya ka registration ka benda ki tourist baru kintu ru ki paj ba bakin long ki ba fikir ba sumar bahai la de ya ka ba minta umentri rangba ulong ba ka Meghalaya kam dan kam ke jing khangdam hendela dan kam ka sarkar Jylla kan sakmi binya ba le ka badan kam.
As of now, because of the efforts of the citizens of the state, the community participation, the frontline workers and the officials, we have been able to contain the situation to a large extent in Meghalaya. Meghalaya is comparatively doing slightly better than most of the other regions in the states. So therefore, lockdown at this point in time doesn't look like we need to go for it. But then if situation does not, it gets bad and worse, then we will accordingly examine it at that point in time, but not as of now.